Defining equinox and solstice. An equinox and a solstice are both key astronomical events that mark changes in Earth's position relative to the Sun. The equinoxes occur when the Earth's axis is not tilted toward or away from the Sun, resulting in nearly equal day and night lengths. The solstices happen when the Earth's tilt is most pronounced, leading to the longest or shortest days of the year. Timing of the events. Equinoxes occur twice a year. Once around March 20th or 21, the spring or vernal equinox, and once around September 22nd or 23, the autumnal equinox. Solstices also happen twice a year, around June 21st, the summer solstice, and around December 21st, the winter solstice. Day and night length. During an equinox, the day and night are approximately equal in length across the globe, with both lasting about 12 hours. On the other hand, a solstice results in extreme differences in day length, with the summer solstice having the longest day of the year and the winter solstice having the shortest. Sun's position in the sky. During an equinox, the Sun is directly above the equator, resulting in equal exposure to sunlight in both hemispheres. During a solstice, the Sun reaches its highest point in the sky at noon during the summer solstice or its lowest point during the winter solstice, depending on the hemisphere. Seasonal changes. Equinoxes mark the beginning of the spring and autumn seasons, representing the transition to warmer or cooler weather. Solstices mark the start of summer and winter, signaling the peak of warmth or the onset of cold, depending on the hemisphere. Impact on hemispheres. In the northern hemisphere, the March equinox signals the start of spring, and the September equinox signals the start of autumn. Conversely, the June solstice is the summer solstice in the northern hemisphere, and the December solstice is the winter solstice. The reverse occurs in the southern hemisphere. Earth's tilt and orbit. Equinoxes happen when the Earth's axis is perpendicular to the Sun's rays, meaning there is no tilt toward or away from the Sun. Solstices occur when Earth's axial tilt is at its maximum, 23.5 degrees, causing one hemisphere to be tilted toward the Sun and the other away. Astronomical significance. Both events are significant for astronomers and meteorologists. Equinoxes help define the length of seasons, while solstices provide reference points for the Earth's tilt and orbit, which affects climate and daylight patterns. Cultural and historical importance. Equinoxes and solstices have long been important in various cultures, often marking agricultural cycles or being celebrated with festivals and rituals. For example, the summer solstice has been historically celebrated in many cultures as a time of abundance, while the winter solstice often represents renewal or rebirth. Key difference. Day length and sun position. The primary difference between an equinox and a solstice lies in the sun's position and the length of day and night. Equinoxes feature equal day and night lengths, while solstices result in the longest or shortest day of the year, depending on the hemisphere's tilt toward or away from the sun.